Hello everyone and welcome to English Grammar Cafe. Today we are going to learn pronouns. In last few videos we were learning noun and its kinds. If you have missed it, link has been given in the description box. You can check it out. Today we are going to learn pronoun and its kinds. In this video we are going to cover what are the pronouns, different kinds of pronouns, and then the first pronoun, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, what are the personal pronouns? 3 classes of persons, rules for using personal pronoun, rules for using pronoun it. And then at the end of the video there is a quiz, and make sure you take it to check your learning and understanding. Now before starting our lesson, I would like you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification of my videos. Now let's start today's lesson. What are the pronouns? So a pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. For example, he, she, I, we, you, they, it, them, him, and many more. For example, if I say Monica is my friend, she is a very good girl. So you can see in first sentence I have used the word Monica, and in the next sentence in place of Monica I have used she. So she is a pronoun. One more example, Divyansh is a good boy. He studies very well. So Divyansh is a noun, and in the next sentence in place of Divyansh I have used he. So he is a pronoun. Now what are the different kinds of pronouns? So there are many kinds of pronouns like personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. And today we are going to learn the first one, personal pronoun. So what are the personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are used in place of the names of persons or things. So personal pronouns can be used as a subject pronoun or object pronoun. For example, she is my sister. So she as a subject I have used here is a personal pronoun. She helps me. So here in this sentence we can see she and me. Me is working here as an object. Me यहाँ object है. So she and me both are personal pronouns. I like her very much. In this sentence I is a subject and her is an object. So I and her both are personal pronouns. So personal pronouns are used for persons. Persons are classified into 3 classes: first person, second person, and third person. It is compulsory to know what are the 3 persons and how to use them. First person, I and we are first person, you is second person, and he, she, it, they are third person. Means मैं और हम, ये first person, you, तुम, that is second person, and he, she, it, they, these are third person. So how to use them? You can see in the table given here, I and we are used as subject pronoun, me and us are used as object pronoun. For the second person, you is used as a subject pronoun and you is used as object pronoun also. Third person, he, she, it, they are used as subject pronouns. Him, her, it, them, these are used as object pronoun. Now what are the rules to use these personal pronouns? Rule number 1, I always comes last when a set of pronouns and nouns are used together. For example, she and I are friends. We never say I and she and I. Deepika and I are playing. We never say I and Deepika. You and I are studying together. So here also you and I. We cannot say I and you. That will be wrong. I always comes last when a set of pronouns and nouns are used together. Rule number 2, do not use me in place of I. Sometimes I see the students doing this mistake. She and me are playing. Wrong sentence. She and me कुछ नहीं होता है. She and I, when we are using subject as a subject and me is object pronoun. So she and I are playing, because here she is a subject and I is also a subject. In the same way, she gave me a book. We cannot say she gave a book to I or she gave I a book. That is also wrong. So we cannot interchange me and I. I is a subject pronoun, me is an object pronoun. I hope it's clear. Rule number 3. When we refer to a collective noun as a single unit, we use pronoun in singular number. For example, the class was shouting. I scolded it. So here I have used it for the class. I did not say them. One more example. I am proud of Indian Army. It is always ready to protect us. So here army is a group of soldiers. But in the second sentence I have used it for the army, because here I am talking about army as a single unit. Now rule number 4. When we refer to the units of collective nouns separately, we use plural pronoun. For example, the jury did not give the decision because they did not agree to one another's opinion. So here I have used they, क्योंकि यहाँ मैं जूरी के अलग अलग मेंबर्स की बात कर रही हूँ कि वो सारे मेंबर्स एक दूसरे की ओपिनियन से एग्री नहीं थे. Now next is how to use pronoun it. So when we talk about non-living things, about weather, about temperature, about time, about animals, we use it. For example, I have a cat and it is very cute. It is 9 o'clock. It is very cold today. It is a wonderful day. It is 80 kilometers from here to my home. I hope all the rules to use personal pronouns are clear to you. Now as usual, I have a small quiz for you. Make sure you take it to check your learning and understanding. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends also. Now here is the quiz. Here are the answers. Well done. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Now let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Bye.